Hello, I'm Thinev. Today we talk about a bird that is also known as the pirate bird for a reason. The Pomarin Jaeger. The Pomarin Jaeger, Pomarin Skua or Pomatorhine Skua is a seabird in the Skua family. Bulky gull-like seabird, the largest and most barrel-chested of the three jaegers. Breeds on Arctic tundra, spends the rest of the year at sea. Breeding adults are unique with elongated spoon-shaped central tail feathers. Also note blackish brown upper parts, messy black cap and that extends below the bill and extensive white flash on upper and underside of outer wing. Difficult to separate from other jaegers, especially parasitic. All jaegers chase other birds and steal their food, which is why they are called pirate birds. Their calls are like locally named Pomarin Vilubuwa. I have not seen the Pomarin Jaeger. Mannar holds a special place when it comes to bird watching. One reason is it is the closest point to India. Most people know Mannar for flamingos. However, you get to see many other birds in Mannar.